So welcome back to Daily Coding. In today's video, I'm going to share you the resources and the tools that I use as a developer. So let's get into that. So the first one is I'm going to talk about is the daily.dave. So daily.dave is the Chrome extensions that is just the collection of blog posts from different sources that put it on your new tabs. So as you can see, when I open my new tabs right here, so it just crawl and fetch different sources of blog posts put into the new tabs. So also you can choose right here any tag that you want to keep track of, or any let's say sources that you want to see as well. So this is really nice if you want to someone who like to read blog and don't want to go to any specific blog post website. So I leave the link in the description so you can go ahead and download this Chrome extensions. Great. So speaking of the specific blog post, so I like to go into the Dave.to. So Dave.to it's just a blog post for developer. So this blog post, it's just the same thing. As you can see, we have like the tags and that you can keep track of, and it's really nice. This one, usually I come here every day, just read 1 or 2 blog posts from this one. Great. Next is I'm going to talk about the illustration. So this illustration is called the Undraw. This is I'm not used very much often, but whenever I want to use the illustration, I would go in here and I would search the illustration that I wanted to use. And after that, you can change the color as well. So as you can see, I can pick this color and then you can choose it according to your design as well. All right. So next up is going to be the hero icon. So the hero icon is the icon that I use right now. I use often because this one is easy to use. So you can just click here, it's copy and then you can paste it in your tech editors. And then also this one is just enable a JSX or SVG. This is not a lot of icon, but I think for my use case, I found it like it's what I need. But yeah, go ahead and check it out as well. So next up is if you want to use the free image and videos, you can go into this website. So the first one is going to be Unflash, and you can download any image from here and then you put it on your website. No need to create it or anything. And also this one also Pixel as well. It's just free videos and free images. All right. So next is I'm gonna talk about the UX UI design. So if you want to start a new project and you don't know like or you want to get the inspiration UIs, what does it look like? You can come into this website called Triples, and then you can search any project that you want. Let's say you want to search with e-commerce, so you can see their UI design and you can see how it looks, and then you can try to build it on your own as well. So this is a really cool website to get inspiration of the UI. Speaking of building the UI, you can use a tool like Figma or Adobe XD, but Figma is one of my favorites. The reason is that it's run on your browsers. Also, you can download it on your computer as well. And also, it's real-time collaboration also, and then you can share this one easily with your friend. All right, so and it is free. Great. So next up is last but not least is the tech editor. So my favorite tech editor is VS Code. So if you follow the tutorial so far, you can see I use only the VS Code extension, VS Code tech editor. The reason that I like this one, it's because it's easy to use and it has a lot of extensions and also you can create your own extension to put into that as well. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any other tools or any other resources that you use, feel free to comment down below and let other people know it as well. So I hope you guys like this one. See you guys in the next time. Peace. Bye-bye.